In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter by date in Google Sheets. Working with large datasets can often be overwhelming, but using filters effectively can make your data analysis much more manageable and efficient. Whether you're tracking expenses, managing schedules, or analyzing data trends, filtering by date can help you zero in on the most relevant information. Let's dive right in and simplify the process for you. To get started, you'll want to open your Google Sheet that contains the data you need to analyze. First, you'll need to select the entire table you're working with. It's crucial to ensure that you also select the header row, as this row typically contains the titles or categories of your data, and missing it could lead to confusion later on. Once your table and header are selected, direct your attention to the menu at the top of Google Sheets. Here, you're going to click on Data. This is where you manage and manipulate your datasets. After clicking Data, look for the option that says Create a Filter and click on it. This step will allow you to apply filters to your data. At this point, you'll notice that a filter button has appeared on your data table header. Filter buttons are tiny, funnel-shaped icons, and they provide you with the ability to refine your data according to specific conditions. Ready to apply our filter? Click on the filter button in the header of the column that contains your date data. Once you've clicked on that, a menu will appear. Here, you're going to choose Filter by Condition. This is where we can specify exactly what date filters we want to apply. You'll be given a few options such as date is before, and date is after. Your selection here depends on what you're looking to accomplish. If you want to view transactions that occurred on a specific day, you'll choose date is. Want to see everything that happened before a certain date? Date is before will be your go-to option. Conversely, if you're interested in dates following a specific time frame, date is after is the filter you need. After selecting the appropriate condition, simply type in or select the date that you're interested in filtering by. Make sure you've got the right date in place, as this will dictate the results that you see. And just like that, you're done. Your Google Sheets data should now be filtered based on the date criteria you specified. This process not only helps you focus on data relevant to a particular period, but also enhances the overall efficiency of your workflow. Keep practicing this technique, and you'll be navigating large datasets with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.